How to search someone on Instagram by image. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how you can search someone on Instagram by image. So as you have heard it from the title itself, it is probably impossible for you to search an particular Instagram account by just its image. So you might use any third party app for that, but it's not probably gonna work. So what you can do instead is there's absolutely no way you can just search in for the image. So I will just show you some valid method. So let's say I want to copy this account from over here. What I will do is just click on this three dot icon and just copy the profile URL, and I'll just have to paste it over to my Google over here, and it will successfully show me my desired account. So but you can't actually directly search in for the particular image or account using a particular image. So hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.